Hi everyone, welcome to Drop and Craft, and this week we are making our last Halloween craft because Halloween is on Saturday. We are making a bat. Very easy. You need 2 pieces of black construction paper. You need a piece of white, but you're not going to be using much of that. Eyes, a glue stick, a scissor, some ribbon, and I used a little plate to trace my head. This is the first thing we're gonna do. You're gonna take a piece of paper and put your plate down, and with your pencil, which I forgot to tell you needed, you're going to trace the paper plate. Kind of do it hard because it's black paper. You can't really see, but you can see it there. I have my circle. I'm going to cut my circle out to make my bat head. If you need help with it, I'm sure your big person could help you. And the bat's head doesn't have to be completely round because it's a bat and it's your bat, and you can make it any way you want. There's my bat head. I'm going to take the second piece of paper. We're going to make the wings. I'm going to fold it in half like that, and then I am going to draw my wings. I'm going to make a big circle like that, and then I'm going to kind of make the scallops for the wings. And you'll see it better after I cut it out. So we're cutting it on the double piece of paper because a bat has 2 wings. So they can hang upside down. Did I ever see a bat? I saw one once. Ran away from it. My 2 wings. Next thing we're going to do is I am going to glue my wings on. I'm going to put one here and one here. I'm going to put the scallop part down so it looks like that. I'm gonna take my little eyes. You can make bigger ones if you want. I'm gonna put my eyes on. And we need some ears. So you could take the paper that you were using before that you doubled up for the scallops. And you're gonna 2 triangles on here. So I'm gonna put 1 ear here, 1 ear here, and then we need some teeth. So I'm going to take my white paper, don't need much of it, fold it in half because I'm going to make 2 teeth for mine. I'm going to make 2 long fangs, just like that. I got 2 of them. And I'm gonna put 1 there and 1 there. It's my bat's fangs. And then we could hang it. So I'm gonna take my ribbon. You can use ribbon, you can use string, you can use whatever you have in the house. I'm gonna cut a piece, and then on the top of my bat's head, I'm just gonna make a little hole with my scissor or with something sharp that you have there. Put my string through, and there you have a flying bat. Happy Halloween, everyone!